Novo Pandora.
Spell foreign for me.
Foreign.
Foreign.
Okay. Foreign.
I feel like I want to celebrate, you see it? Yeah. I feel like I want to celebrate to the 100K. We there now. We reach 100K now, people, yeah? So we are going around, we are asking people them for spell foreign. If you don't know for spell foreign, don't go. Nobody pack up and go. Yeah? Chips. Banana chip. Well, it's so easy. Your name is?
Daryl.
Who?
Dwight.
Dwight. Yeah, protect yourself.
Yeah.
Alright. What school you go?
JC, Jamaica College.
Oh my, you got an accent, G.
I don't think so.
You got an accent, my G.
I don't think so.
Alright, so you're the smartest one in your group?
Definitely not.
Not you?
No.
Yo, alright. This is one simple word why you spell it. See it? Everybody want to go there. Spell foreign for me.
Foreign?
Foreign. Eh?
You can't spell foreign.
What?
You can't spell foreign.
What you mean? You can't what? What you say?
You can't spell foreign.
Lie. You prank me?
Not one bit, no.
No school you go?
Jamaica College.
And what you say you can't spell?
Foreign.
Pronounce it and try. Try. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to Boss TV.
P-O-Z...
No, start over.
P-O-Z-E-R. Foreign.
How you think you do?
Spell foreign.
Try. Give me back again. Cause you're smart, you know?
P-O-F-Z-R.
And that's what?
Foreign.
Foreign.
Yeah.
Which one you talk? Which one you spell?
Foreign. Regular foreign.
The word foreign, you know?
Mm,
I prank me?
I don't think so.
What you think you do?
Spell foreign.
And you confident about that?
Yeah.
I play with my dog. F foreign start with.
Oh, F.
Yeah, play with me. Yeah, play with me. Yeah, play with me. Alright, people here play with me. Alright, go back again. F it start with. Spell foreign.
F-V-E-R.
You school there go?
Jamaica College.
You pass with Jamaica College?
Yeah, I think so.
What you know?
What do you mean?
Ask what you know. Can you say you think?
Yeah, I think I know. That's
Alright,
a
I
part
call
of
in
the
the smart you. Come in, smart you. Come in now. Come redeem him now. Come in now. Come over that side there. Alright. Who school you go?
JC.
Two and a half friend? Your friend?
Yeah.
How you think him though?
Trash.
Trash? But him confident. I play with me?
I have no idea.
I spell foreign for me.
Foreign.
Foreign.
Okay. F-O-R-I-E-G-N.
How you go?
F-O-R-I-E-G-N.
Alright, the smart one. Come here, smart one. Come here. Yeah, smart one. Sorry about that. Alright, you spell foreign. You're the smartest one though.
Yep.
Alright, so, him though.
Yeah, he did pretty okay.
Okay. Oh, your next friend though. Second one.
He did better.
Okay, alright. You spell foreign. What your name?
Corey Chung.
Chung. You don't know what that means, you know? Rich Bill Gates. Alright, spell foreign.
F-O-R-I-E-G-N.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. Now, what school I go?
Jamaica College.
Alright then. Big up, yeah?
Yeah.
Boss TV, your name is? Twain. Big up yourself. Which school are you go?
Maybe it's Bangai School.
Alright. So I don't know if you Google a word while ago, you know.
No, man. Never did I hear one answer.
You have to hear what me I say a while ago.
Because me that talk to them and me that pay attention to the baby.
So she never help you with the word. You see if you get that word right,
No, sir, she never help me with the word.
I give her next word. Because I feel like she help you with the word, Chargy. You have too much confidence. First time I come to you.
Confidence.
No, first time I fought to you, you say, yeah, man, I'm ready. And now, you say, ready. Alright.
You get up, see me with the confidence, see me.
Alright, so everybody want to go, you see it?
I never know where you did I do it differently still.
Alright, so everybody want to go there, you see me? Spell foreign.
Foreign.
Oh, you go?
Foreign.
Alright, so y'all gonna get one more, you know. Cause Mama help you with it right there to say, you know. You see it? Mama help me know, you know. Mama help me with it right there to say, you know. You see me? So me gonna flick out one more, you see it? People hold on the man, cause him can't play with me, cause me see, you know. I know, alright. Simple thing. Spell zinc.
Zinc.
Simple thing.
Z. I. ZIN. C.
Oh, you go?
ZIN. C. E. ZIN. C. K. Zinc.
Alright then. Big up yourself. Hear that?
Yeah,
You
man.
don't know anything. Yeah. Really so easy. Your name is?
Repeat.
Really so easy. I'm really so easy. Your name is?
Pablo, otherwise Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
Bomba Rasta out there, you know.
Emperor.
Long time I relax.
Long time, man.
Alright, you can bust a tune for it.
Alright. What kind of tune?
No, I just want you to tune, you're not artist.
Yeah, man, you can give
Give me a piece of tune, anyone ever tune.
Hey, man, this one is for my brothers and sisters out there who work and can't get no pay. Tell this one to your employee. Say, give me my G's. Give me my grand, but when I done my work, I need my money in my hand. Give me my G's, give me my grand, but when I done my work, I need my money in my hand. Hey boy, be careful, mind where you stand. Mind I get it by the slam. From my right hand, don't let it be like Bush and Saddam. In the Middle East, jump in there, bam, spilling off the nations. Can I see? Don't overstand it is a devastation. I done my work, I need my money in my hand.
Give me my money. Alright, Rasta, come here now. Alright, so you ever travel before?
No.
Never yet travel?
No.
Alright, so we are going more spell foreign for me.
Me can't spell foreign.
No, man, Rasta, try, man. You must want to travel one day.
No, then we don't have to travel, man. We travel every day, man, but we can't spell foreign.
No, man, try your fight, man.
F-E-R-I-A-N.
Oh, you go?
F-A-R-I-A-N.
Foreign.
Foreign.
Yeah. When you don't spell it, just say foreign.
F-A-R-I-A-N. Foreign.
F-A.
F-A.
Yeah.
R-I-N. Foreign.
Alright, big up. Big up the artist, hear that? Alright, what school you go?
Mavis Bank High School.
Alright, so Mavis Bank never get this right. Someone you redeem them, here?
Yeah.
Alright, so you ever travel before?
No.
Someone you spell foreign for me.
F-O-R.
Hello, lady. Father God.
F-O.
No, more you start over because she throw me off. You see it? Spell foreign for me.
F-O-R-I-G-N.
Repeat.
F-O-R-I-G-N.
Fully done.
I go around popping the people them there. You see it? Spell foreign for me. GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Alright, people, so want to like, subscribe, you see me, I say people, road to 100k sub. Come on, people, man, this is a live boss out there, you see me, live.
I got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it. Ash.